Hey, Ophiuchus. I know you've been wondering where I've been, my friend, but just don't know. I just created a sin by forgetting my Ophiuchus friends, okay? I am here, I am there, I am everywhere. I am right beside you, all right? Every step of the way, trying to guide you, all right? Also, check out my Sagittarius readings. And if you get bored and I'm not here, my dear, go ahead and check out my other channel, Tarot Vibes, okay? And just know, too, I have another channel, Tempered Moon. This is my company, Tempered Moon. I actually make soap, okay? And I'm about to start back making candles, okay? And no, it's not random. It's just candles, okay? So, and if you are in need of a personal reading, you can find me on Hipsy. I am Tarot Vibes there, too, under my name, Tanya L. All right. So there's somebody that thinks about you late at night. I started recording this at 11:41 p.m. my time, which is 111. You could be having a new beginning with someone, or this is someone new in general, okay? But you're heavily on this person's mind. They can't get you off of it, baby. You live rent free. Let me find out, baby. All right? So whenever you see this video, baby, this person is thinking about you. Okay? Thank y'all for subscribing. Also, love y'all, love y'all, love y'all. Can't say more, can't say less. Okay? But just know you're the best. All right, let's get this party started. What's up with this person missing Ophiuchus at this time? Ooh, challenge. Divine masculine. The yang to your yin. All right. This is somebody in their masculine energy. This is someone that balances you out. They feel like they're aligned with you. This is someone that feels like they're your equal. This is somebody playing chess, baby. Not chuckles. All right. Tell me more about this person. Who is this showing up? And this was at the bottom of the deck and it made it way. Have fun, baby. All I need is your body next to me. Oh, this somebody at a distance. Oh, na, 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 your body, na, 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 na. And this is the conflict. That's distance. There's people at a distance also causing conflict in this connection. Could be trying to curse. There's third parties trying to curse this connection already with this masculine. Okay, it could be their family, but there's definitely third party. And this is draining either you or this person. But they want you to trust that they're loyal to you. And this is somebody that's still trying to believe, even though they're wearing thin. Okay? They want your body. Okay? Next to them. Give me more. Give me a card. Okay? Give me a card about this person missing Ophiuchus. Worth waiting for. They're wanting you to know right off the bat. You know, this is somebody that's thinking about you, missing you heavily. They're wanting you to know this connection is worth waiting for. They're hoping you be patient in this situation, not give up so easily, because they know it's exhausting. Because there's so many energies tapped into y'all connection. So many people in y'all business. Okay? Look at this. Stay optimistic. Stay optimistic. It says positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. It's worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work. This is a situation with divine timing, finding the right time to make this work. But I feel like you got an energetic cheerleader, male energy, masculine energy, man, woman. Okay. But this is definitely someone at a distance from you. And yeah, people are trying to make this person think that maybe you're not loyal to them in any type of way due to the distance. They're trying to plant these seeds in this person's head. Like, what the fuck? Why? What do you get out of it? Oh, they told me to go for the ghetto deck. Oh no, they told me to get the T. What's the T on this third party that's trying to influence and curse this connection? What's the influence? You got a third party that's stalking you on social media. They're watching you, keeping tabs. I'm going to tell you now what I get. The T on this third party, they're watching you. But if your person has been watching you online a lot lately, it's because these people are planning it in their head that you can't be trusted. Because this is a situation where there's separation, blockages. You know, there's space between you and this person. And these people are speaking negatively to this person, this divine masculine energy. They're really trying to feed them bullshit about you. We're going to check into your energy, but let's give the T again. Okay? Give me the T on this third party. Mental prison. Someone who's trapped in their head may suffer from mental illness and self-limiting beliefs. This is somebody with mental issues. Okay, they're in a mental prison. I feel like these people are getting this person, this very generous person. They're very generous with the info that they feed this person is what I'm giving. But I feel like too, you know, this third party looks for a handout, for things to be handed to them. I feel like they feed this person these lies, this negative energy to keep them in that mental prison. They're getting something out of this from this individual. Give me some more T on the third party. You got somebody, you got a copycat. Third party is trying to act like you, trying to be you, copying your style. Someone likes how you dress, talk, look, etc. so much that they try to act like you. Give me more T on the third party. They're stressed though. They're trying, it's not easy to be the collective that taps in to my channel, baby. They could try to be you all day, man or woman, I don't give a damn. You fly as fuck, okay? And trying to be you is exhausting, this third party. So there's either another man or another woman, same sex as you, trying to be you. And it's stressful. It's hard. It's not easy. It's not easy. And they starting to be cheesy. Okay? Give me more. Caught in the act. You could catch this person, or they could be caught trying to stalk you, watch you, and copy you. Oh. This divine counterpart caught on to what they're doing. They caught on to what this third party is doing by trying to be you. This third party feels by acting like you, they could receive more from this divine counterpart of yours. Someone has been caught doing something that they shouldn't. So this person has been caught. More T. Yep. Third party situation. So, yeah. Third party interference. This could be another lover, friends, or meddling family. All right. So, yeah, it's confirmation. That's third party. That's trying to make this divine union more difficult than it should be. It came out as a challenge. Yeah. Because this person is tired of hearing the good shit that's spoken about my collective. Yeah. This divine counterpart talks about you and talks good shit about your purpose. A lot of you are on your spiritual journey and you're not hiding it. You're putting it out there. 12th house. What was hidden, you're putting out there. You could have Pisces in your chart. 12th house here. You're in your purpose. You're very intuitive. Very, very intuitive. Very tapped in. It says hidden truth, secrets, dreams one has, hidden strengths and weaknesses, the unconscious, and karma. People like what you got going on, talking about your achievements and accolades. Purpose. Someone who knows who they are meant to, what they are meant to do in life, understands their life mission, plays no games, and has the facts. Being you is stressful. You make it hard out here. It's hard out here for a pimp when you're trying to get some money for the... Let me stop. All right. How is this third party feeling towards my collective? Watching this video, at this time of them watching the video, you're abundant as fuck. Abundant. Abundance. They feel like you got it. It says abundance is the perception of all the resources in life. Knowing that you have all the power and support you need. When abundance appears, it reminds you that the universe always responds to your needs in various ways. They see you as abundant. And they're not happy about it. Okay? You get everything, which makes them feel some type of way. It says disappointment is a reaction to unmet expectations. So this is somebody that tried to copy your style and it didn't get them where they wanted to be. That's unmet expectations, causing feelings or heartbreak or frustration. It reminds you to adjust the relationship between expectations and reality. This person could have been a Pisces. You know, they're dreamers. You know, and they could have already dreamed of what would be. So this is sounding like somebody that liked your masculine. Male, female, divine masculine. Okay? And now they have to accept that sometimes things don't go as planned. But it doesn't mean failure. It's a valuable learning opportunity. You're walking karma. How do they feel about the collective? The third party. One more. They say one more. You made this person look within themselves and try to figure out, like you made somebody definitely start to see or figure out like, hey, you know, what is wrong with me? Like I say, this is somebody that could have lost themselves trying to be like you. Okay? And they have to try to learn again who they are as a person. But it says introspection is the process of self-reflection, allowing you to reevaluate your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Through introspection, you can discover your deeper needs and goals, bringing clarity and awakening to your inner world. And this person was resisting that. It says resistance is the emotion of opposing change or willingness to face reality. They couldn't face reality. It took a minute. It says leaving you feeling stuck and restricted. When resistance appears, it reminds you to address the fears and insecurities within. Letting go of the need for control and accepting the current situation, so you can find a new path. So, this is somebody that's looking within and wanting to find a new path. What is this new path? What is this new path this third party is going towards? What is this new path? What is this new path? Don't forget y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share. What is this? They don't want, okay. This is, you're causing a third party to try to level up their life, okay? But I feel like, too, this is somebody with some psychological trauma that they're dealing with, and you're forcing a third party to do that because they know something was wrong with their way they were thinking. This person deals with anxiety. There's a lot of anxiety around this person. There's a lot they were resisting. They're not in the best of place, but what is this? New path. They don't know what they want to do yet. They don't know what they want to do just yet. They're the Chariot in reverse. Yeah, they're trying to regenerate. They're trying to purge. They're trying to clear the energy and transform. They're trying to change after this ending. This is somebody that's hitting rock bottom. All right? Could be a Gemini. Could be a Pisces. Yeah, something is going on. Okay, they're awakening. So you push the third party into the dark night of the soul? The fuck? You cause somebody to look at themselves. 6 of Cups. Heal their wounds, their childhood wounds, that innocence. This third party recognized your spirit too from a past life. We got Aries, Gemini, Pisces. This person is Cancer. They feel like this is blocked from them. So they're not putting in the work anymore. They're trying to change, transform. They didn't hit rock bottom. You made somebody, something is going on in the springtime, and you know spring is here. Yeah. This is somebody, yeah. I'm going to tell you, this person was kin to you in some type of way in a past life. This is somebody that is your soul family, but dysfunctional, like toxic and disconnected. Scorpio, Pisces energy. Yeah, they've actually lost hope in trying to fight this connection in the next few days. They're not gonna have the energy. This is somebody that was losing sleep. Why were they losing sleep? Like, how does this person feel about the masculine energy in this reading, the divine masculine? They were uncertain about this. They're at peace. Like, yeah. That was an offer that they feel like it's unrequited. Like the attraction is just one-sided. They were hoping to get an offer of a passionate new beginning, but with the Knight of Cups in reverse, it didn't happen. I feel like they just wanted to have sexual intercourse with this person. They were gonna fucking run. So now, you know, their inner child wounds are hit by you. They're walking away. So this is somebody that's walking away, trying to find themselves, trying to find their own path. You awakened a third party. You healed a third party. Who the hell are you? I'm sorry to say it like that. Who are you? How does this divine masculine feel about the collective? Because this person is bragging to people about what my collective viewing is doing in their life. Page of Pentacles. Nine of Wands. Like you don't give up. You could put on many hats. You do many different things. And they, tell me more, how do they feel? Ace of Cups. Justice. They feel like you're worth doing right by. And they feel like, you know, how they feel about you. You're a very fair and righteous individual. I don't know why I'm hearing righteous, but yeah. Righteous. What the? You could have Libra in your chart. Like, oh, you're very intuitive. Oh, they choose you for this Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups energy. My cup overflows for you. So, this person has a lot of love for you. This is somebody that they would want to be with you. And I start hearing, it's like rain on your wedding day. And who would have thought it figures? Isn't it ironic? This is a connection where opposites attract. There's passion here. There's emotions here. This person is learning from you too. This person they feel in debt to you due to the lessons, the expensive lessons they're learning from you. You're teaching folks without teaching folks, okay? It's like you're leading by example. Like, you're the truth. You're honest. What does this person want from the collective? What do they want? This new Ace of Pentacles. You done had Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups from this person. Now you got Ace of Pentacles. What do they want? Queen of Cups. They want to give you, they want marriage. They want a higher level of commitment is the overall energy. 11, 11 card. They want to be they're very protective over you, over your energy, because you're the Queen of Cups. They love you. They want to be with you. Because I'm here. Can you feel that beat? And we gon' ride the boogie. Show that beat of love. I wanna rock with you all night. Ooh, I'm catching chills. And we can rock forever. Ooh, I'm catching chills. But yeah, this person wants to live with you. They want to protect you. Yeah. They want to give you something. Oh, and how that card just sound, they was hitting full speed, baby. This person wants full speed ahead. They want a whirlwind marriage. Like, they're skipping a lot of steps. and going straight to a relationship. They want to do that. They miss you. I miss you. I'm talking to you, baby. I miss you. I don't want to sing him too much. All right. What is this person's next action towards Ophiuchus? We got action. First card. Queen of Wands. Somebody about to be bold and make you fold. Okay. Why I'm still rhyming. And there go Boo Bell. Somebody want to make you fold, baby. Very romantic individual. Somebody about to be bold as hell. Can we go somewhere? Can we just, yeah. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Oh, we got Aquarius, Pisces energy with the Knight of Cups. We got Aries and Pisces. So strong Pisces in this person's chart. Okay? They're wanting to come towards you with a love offer. Okay? What is this person's next action? Some of you, this could be a proposal. 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Cups. They coming towards you in a 10 of Pentacles energy. This person wants something long-term, stable, blended family type shit. Or have a family with you. Be careful. You could be getting somebody knocked up. You fertile. Myrtle. Urkel. Whatever. This is somebody want to grow old with your ass. You better tell me your name, baby. Talk to me for a minute. Come on and talk for a minute. Ooh, Queen of Pentacles. Okay? They want to build a dynasty with you, baby. They see you as someone abundant. Nurturing. Close to being an empress. I'm hearing dress you up and dress you down. We got Sagittarius, Capricorn energy. We got Virgo energy. Virgo. And then look. This person is manifesting your ass. Okay? As you watch this reading, this person is manifesting a new opportunity. The Fool, Aries energy. Okay? Somebody is manifesting you. This person's next action is to come towards you with a romantic offer. Could be an expensive date. Because you got it. And so do they. Okay? The romance, the heat is about to be turned up at your feet. Okay? So, fellas, ain't no more beating your meat. Ladies, ain't no more flicking the bean. If you know what I mean. All right. I don't know why I said that. Why I said that. What is the potential of this connection? 3 cards. Okay, I'm going to tell you. It's going to be stressful at first, but we have the 9 of Cups, all right? This journey is going to have ups and downs, all right? There's going to be some anxiety, some worries, you know, some sleepless nights, but you and this person are moving past that. Y'all could be relocating, but there's a transition here. As you go with the flow with this connection is going to be your 9 of Cups. This is what you've earned. Justice. This is your karma. A wish being fulfilled, and that's also this person. So this is a balancing of the scales type connection. Especially if you dealt with a piece of shit in the past. Okay? So the potential looks rough. But y'all are going to smooth things out, iron them out as things go. Alright? Let's say they told me to give me something. Oh. Unsure about, emotionally confused, divine masculine. But that's being healed. So if this person has been giving you mixed emotions, there's a chance of this person clearing space, making room for you. This person was carrying a lot of emotional baggage too, which made them unsure about you. So that's why it made it so easy for this third party to influence, like try to influence them. But I feel like this is somebody that's making preparations and clearing space for you. Oh, they told me to get an angel number. Oh shit, what did I drop? Angel number and get you some letters. First, middle, last initial, please, for this person or the collective watching. Let's see. Damn. Oh shit. We have I, another I. We have an N. We have an O. We have an S. We have an H. We have a G. We have an E. And we have another O. So IONSHGE. We have 2 I's and 2 O's. Okay? Yours, theirs. First, middle, last. Alright? So give me an angel number for Ophiuchus that's tapped into this video. Number 28. I am a leader. And it shows, Ophiuchus, you not only affected this person, you affected a third party. You affected them. And you don't even know it. Well, now you do. In an effort to accomplish great things, you recognize the value of working with others. You make a capable and compassionate leader who can bring people together and drive a team towards achievement. And 17, I am independent. The quality of work you can produce when you're going at it alone is almost unbelievable. You are as independent as you are ambitious, capable of performing every step of the way with efficiency, focus, and skill. Okay, so you could be born in 88 because I see 8. 1 and 7 is 8, and then 28, I see the 8 again. You could be 28. You could be born on the 17th. You could be born on the 28th. You could be born on the 10th, the 1st, the 8th. Like I said, the number 8 could be the last in your year, like 88, 98, 2008. Wait, no, not 2008. Well, you could be 18 already and seeing this. But the number 8 is of significance. It stands out to me. So, you can be a life path 8, or 7, or 1, or 2. So, y'all, thank you for tuning in. Oh, shit. Never mind. They told me to give you one of these too. Give me one for Ophiuchus. My life, my life, my life, my life in the sunshine. Everybody loves the sunshine. Somebody's root chakra could be off too. Oh shit, no. Sorry, y'all. It got hot as hell. Give me a Ophiuchus, please. A card. Are you gonna give me one? Y'all set me over there. Okay, pick then. A baby may suddenly shift her gaze and spontaneously smile the sweetest smile on earth. This little one somehow knows she is blessed with an angel's presence. That's how you'll know who you are. Children just smile at you. And it says, Archangel Gabriel is the messenger who brings revelation, solutions, and inspiration. Moments of sudden clarity may be a sign that Gabriel has come to assist. Trumpet-shaped flowers, moonstone, or ancient writing implements may also appear. That's your sign, Ophiuchus. So, Ophiuchus, I hope you enjoyed this reading. I'm about to clean up my mess. Okay? But just know you are the best. All right? So, until next time, I'm going to send you peace, love, and kisses. Catch you later.